Imagine you selling a book for $5 each, and you're selling for around, let's say, 200 people. That's like $5 times 200. That's 1K dollars, like that, instantly. So that's what Amazon KDP has to offer. Remember, Amazon has millions, more than 100 million customers, viewers who frequent their website and buy things online. So you don't have to do the marketing aspect. You don't have to share links or do the kinds of things that affiliate marketers do to get leads to their offer. But Amazon helps you to advertise your books, and that's basically doing the heavy lifting for you. So all you have to do is just to create an Amazon KDP book, and it doesn't even take you more than 2 hours to create if you follow follow my channel, follow the steps I'm going to teach you, and you start making money passively forever, as long as your book sells and is still on Amazon KDP platform. So welcome guys to this channel, and if it's the first time you're joining my channel, I welcome you and I urge you to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for this video, because likes actually helps YouTube to promote this video and extend it far beyond to other viewers, so they can also benefit from such videos as this. So guys, in this video, what I'm going to be talking about basically is I'll be briefing you about Amazon KDP. I'm sure you already know about it, but for those that don't know, we'll be talking about it and how easy you can make money from it. And then we'll be talking about the niches, the best niches that you could, niche ideas that you can start out with, and you start making sales and making profits from the get-go. So guys, what is Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP is very simple. It's a platform that Amazon has created to enable creators, writers and creators to publish their books or their content without having to pay fee or money for publishing. Unlike the regular publishing platforms where it's very, very demanding and it's also capital intensive, Amazon KDP offers you the privilege, the freedom to actually publish your book. Very easy books that I would show you how you can start doing that in two hours. You can start publishing books 2 hours, and when you get used to it, you can even take 1 hour to publish, to put the book together. Plus I'd like you to watch this video till the end. Do not skip, because in the end I have a template, free templates that I will be giving out, so that you too can follow the template. What you just need to do following the template is to fill out. It's a clean template, journal template, so you can just start filling it in your own content, and then once you're done, you open an Amazon KDP account, and then you publish your first book. So with that being said, let me just go straight to Amazon KDP website so you can see what it offers. So you can see here that Amazon KDP has already paid out $45.1 million to people, to book writers. And this isn't like real book writers, people that you have to have experience. No, book writers here are like, they're basically copy and paste, light editing, and then you publish. So it's basically designed, and you just get other people's stuff, and then you do editing, you proofread, and then you arrange it well so it will look very fancy. You can do that on Canva. I'll leave a link in the description so you can do that on Canva. And then also I have a video about how you can create simple book cover on Canva, and I'll surely link that so that you can check it out and know how to do these simple basic things. It doesn't take you takes you typically less than an hour, just a few minutes. So KDP is the sure way because it has removed the barrier of you having to market your own goods, your own products, or having to pay advertisers or running ads on Facebook or TikTok or Twitter or anywhere, because Amazon will be the ones doing the marketing for you. All you have to do is just you put these writings together, which are not hard. I'm going to show you a few of them in this Word document here. All right, so you put them together and then you just publish it, and then Amazon will start doing the marketing for you, and you just relax and start, hitting the banks and start earning lots of dollars. Remember what I did in the beginning of the video? With Amazon having hundreds of millions of audience every day or every month, that increases your chances of getting sold. All right, so for instance, now you made an ebook or paperback, anyone, and then you uploaded it, and typically the prices for any of those books are weighed around $5, and then let's say Amazon are able to show your book to, let's say, 500,000 people, like 500,000 impressions, and in that 500,000 you let's say, I don't know, let's say 150 people, which is not too much actually. If 500,000 people view your book, if you design it very well, put a good title, good description, a good tag that makes your book to rank, there's no way that you won't have sales. There's no way you won't sell more than 150 if 500,000 people view your book. All right, these are the things I will teach you, so just be sure to subscribe to my channel and just on the bell notification, because I'll be dropping videos subsequently about how you can optimize your Amazon KDP presence and your books, and how you can create all those things and get yourself ahead. All right, so let's say Amazon shows it to 150 people, 500,000 people. In worst case scenario, you're getting like 150 people buying your book, and if you calculate the times the 150 by $5, which is the typical price for every book, so you're getting $750. $5 times 150, $750, and this is on a stretch, and it goes on forever. Like, your book is on Amazon's website for life. You're no hassle, no nothing. You could be sleeping and people are buying your books and you're getting paid. All right, you just connect your payment platform to your Amazon KDP. Like for me, I've already connected my foreign account to it, but I'll be making other videos to show you how you can do that. So in this video, let me just go straight to the thing that we have today, which is best niche ideas for KDP. All right, since you already know what Amazon KDP is, let's just dive into it straight ahead. So guys, remember to subscribe to this channel. All right, leave a like for this video so that more people can see it. All right, and also, if you're just getting started, if you're just joining the video, my name is Mr. Humble, and this is my channel, and all I try to do is to help you do the research and help and put you through on how you can make money online and become financially independent. So on the best niches, you can see here my hashtag number 1 is the educational workbooks for kids. All right, stuff about kids actually do sell a lot in Amazon. So, and the reason why I actually picked this is because it's very, very easy to do. It's really easy to do. So this one is a main niche. Okay, it's a main niche which is obviously quite big and large. So, but if I go into Amazon KDP, these other ones here that I've listed here, they are the sub niches. All right, so they actually have low competition, so your chances of being seen under these sub niches are really very high. All right, so when you're starting out, you might want to consider focusing on the sub niches that I've written, like under this education, for instance. Okay, so to learn how to write letter books, these are very, very simple things. Letter books are, mostly books for kids that that teaches them how to write letters, the letters of alphabet in the letters of the alphabet, all right, A, B, C to Z, all this stuff. So this thing is very, very easy. You can typically create it using your Google Google Sheets. All right, you can use Google Sheets, very easy. You just set the template and you start creating. All right, so you learn how to write number books. It's still basically the same kind of skill. Sight words for books for kids, sight words. But the typical thing about creating books for kids is it has to be visual. There has to be pictures that shows that there has to be pictures that aid the learning process. Kids are more inclined to learn when they see pictures, so they interact very well with pictures. Just like this example we've seen below here, I inserted this example to illustrate. This one is actually an example of first 100 words book. You see the pattern of it, the apple here. There's an apple to illustrate. So when creating this kind of book, you can easily do it on Canva. All right, I'll create a separate video for that where you can learn how to make something like this. So, but the key thing is you don't give out all the information. For example, on this one now, when it's being created, the only things that were added were just the fruits. All right, the fruits like this, the fruit, the apple, the banana, the baby laughing, car, all of them. Then the words itself, the wording were not there. So you create them and then you leave it to the baby to figure out the words and then start writing. Okay, so like this apple now, no word there. So, and the banana and everything there, no word. So when these parents actually buy this book, the fun thing there will be for these kids to be filling in the names of the fruits, the car, the things, the different words there. All right, so that's the trick on it. But I don't want you to get to feel like it's overwhelming, because there will be other videos that I will practically show you examples of how to do this. All right, so it's just how it is. Human body activity book for kids. It's the same thing, except this one is based on drawings and illustrations on human bodily activities, and how kids can spell them out in letter words. So another really huge niche, okay, is the puzzle books for kids. The puzzle book for kids is, as you know, like the normal puzzle games that you do play or you see on newspaper, etc. So, but this one is you compile them into a book, a very short book that you can use, software. So Canva can do a lot of these things. And then what you just need to do is you put those words together, and then you put the words together. If it's, for instance, if it's based on body parts that you want the kids to learn, it depends on what you want them to. If it's about body parts, or it's about fruits, or just about anything, then you structure your puzzle book to fit their learning process towards that aspect that you want. Okay, so you can see on the puzzle book is a large niche that is very competitive, the points that I've actually dropped below here are the ones that are low competition keywords. But if you're venturing in as a beginner, as a starter, they're actually nice places for you to start, because they're like low what's it called, they are still kind of novel, and people are not yet saturating the whole place, so you can actually make a name for yourself there by making books here and sell them. All right, so that is that. The second one also is the same thing. So if you see the design here, the fruits are actually numbered. If you can see, like for instance, the banana, it's numbered number 3, and then what the kid does here is he or she goes to this column that is also numbered 3, and then spells the fruit out there like that. So that's basically the kinds of things that this kid's book could typically demand from you. And trust me, when you get ahead of things, when you get started, you find out that these things are really, really, really easy for you to create, and it will not take you more than 1 to 2 hours to sit down and create them. And then you upload them, give them good title, good description, good tags, so that they will be discoverable on Amazon as you publish them. Guys, that's the video today, and I said that you should stick around to the end of the video, that I would give you a sort of a bonus, a free journal that you could get and write your first free journal. You can design it based on any niche, journal for any niche, and then you just fill in the blanks. It's a free template that all you just need to do is fill in your name, the name you desire to be published under, and then fill in the blanks, and then depending on the niche that you want to specialize, and then you submit and optimize for Amazon, and then you start making sales. So I'll leave the link to my Google Doc so you can access that free journal, that you can craft your own first book. One thing you need to know is if you have not already created Amazon KDP, you shouldn't be focused on getting it to be perfect or making it to be the best book ever. Just go on with it and just create your first book and put it out, so how it feels, what it typically takes to create Amazon books. And that's the reason why I'm actually leaving the journal link below. It's a filling kind of books that you can complete in an hour, and you publish on Amazon. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be bringing other videos that touch aspects of Amazon KDP, such as setting up your payment, maybe using Payoneer or any other foreign account that you want to connect with Amazon. And importantly, it's completely worldwide. So whether you're in Nigeria, Africa, any part of Africa, or third world country, it's completely free for you, and you can start making money off of it. All right, so that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like for this video, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and always tune in, because I have a lot of updates on Amazon KDP that will help you to start making money online.